Most business owners think they need 50 video ideas before starting a YouTube channel. You need 4. I'm going to show you the exact ideation framework I use to find video ideas that actually get qualified sales calls and not just views. And if you're already making $10,000 a month, you can implement all 4 of these steps today without recording a single video yet. Step 1, build your keyword foundation. Step 1 is simple, but most people skip it, and that's why their channels never get sales calls. Make a list of 10 to 15 keywords your ideal clients are actively searching for. For example, if you're a business coach targeting agency owners, your keywords might be how to scale an agency, agency client acquisition, agency profit margins. Put these in a spreadsheet. You'll need them for step 2. Step 2, identify your competitors. Now here's where most people go wrong. They look at the biggest channels in their niche. Don't do that. Instead, take 1 keyword from your list, type it into YouTube search, and write down the top 20 channels that appear. These are your real competitors. Channels YouTube is already recommending for your topics. This list is critical for step 3. Step 3, find your outlier videos. This step alone is worth more than most $500 courses. We're looking for outlier videos that got 5 to 10x more views than the channel subscriber count. For example, a channel with 20,000 subscribers gets 200,000 views on one video. That's a 10x outlier. These videos reveal the exact topics, titles, thumbnail styles that make people click and watch, even outside your niche. Here's how to find them in 60 seconds. Go to Google search and search one of 10 Chrome extension. The first result, install it. Go to any competitor's channel, click the video style. You'll see blue buttons appear at the top. Click the one that says greater than 5x. The tool instantly shows you every video with a 5x or higher outlier score. Add these to your spreadsheet: video title, thumbnail idea, topic, and outlier score. I created a detailed guide on how to analyze these outliers. It's the second link in my description. Now repeat this process for all 20 channels. Yes, it takes time, but you only have to do this once a month. And step 4, pick your winners. From your outlier list, pick the top 4 videos that align with your expertise. Don't copy them, create your own version with your unique angle. For example, if an outlier video is 5 mistakes killing your agency, you might create 3 pricing mistakes costing coaches $10,000 a month. The same proven concept, your specific audience. So now you have a system to find proven video ideas in under 2 hours a month. But here's the reality. Doing this every month, writing scripts, designing thumbnails, optimizing for SEO, it adds up to 15 to 20 hours of work. And if you're already doing $10,000 to $20,000 a month, your time is worth much more than that. That's why I offer to do all of it for you. Research, ideation, scripting, thumbnails, SEO, everything except hitting record. And if you don't get 10 to 15 qualified sales calls in 90 days, I work for free the next 90. I'm only taking 3 new clients this month. So if you want a personalized 30-day plan for your channel, click the first link below and book a free strategy call. I'll show you exactly how we'd turn your channel into a consistent sales machine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.